I can't wait to open it. Yeah, look. It's a big box full of art supplies. Let's see what's in it. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. Okay. What is this? Acrylics. Oh, this is so exciting. 12 tubes are this grade for me to play. I've been trying some acrylics and I can't wait to try these ones. Let's see what we can create. Okay, put this away and we are gonna see what these brushes are. These are the Element collections, and this is the air edition, water edition. They are so good. You can use them for watercolor, acrylic. I've used them for both and they work amazingly. I discovered Craftamo brushes in 2018 and I love them. And I offer them actually in my in-person workshops. Now we have watercolor brush pens. Ooh, these are so good to do some detail, and you can apply some water to them, and we'll do some play with these ones. They are so amazing. Oh, okay. I guess we have to move on, but I just can't wait to open every single one and play. Okay, here. These ones are fiber tip brush pens. It's 24 of them for me to do some lettering again. And look at all those colors. They are beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna be playing so much with these guys. Nice, thank you. And thank you, Craftamo. Te amo, Craftamo. Okay, no singing for me. Thank you, Craftamo. Moving on, these are watercolor pencils that I haven't tried ever before. So we're gonna be doing some exciting art with these guys. Oh, I love the box that they come in, and they're so cute. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And these are the bamboo by Craftamo. These are brand new brushes that Craftamo launched this last year, and they're so just beautiful. It's this is the pack that comes with 10 brushes from 000 to 10. They are cruelty-free, recycled brass, and sustainable bamboo. They are the most beautiful thing ever, and I can wait to open them. You see, they're good for whatever you want to paint with. These little guys here are also one of my favorites because they are detail brushes. These brushes have the best tips ever. Yeah, look at this. You can do so much detail with this, and I've been using some of them. They're my favorite to create some of the hair that I do for my little pets. Yeah, I'm doing florals, anything really. Okay, this last one, it's a big case made of like canvas, and look at that. It's just so good. Okay, let's inside. Whoa, look at those. Yeah, 15 brushes, anything you could need, it's in this case. We're gonna be doing some really serious artwork here. Look, made by Craftamo, pretty as always. Thank you so much, Craftamo. And look at this. You can snap it out and use the Velcro here so that it can hold your brushes. Isn't this amazing? I love you, Craftamo.